If you're cold calling expireds or would just like to list expireds easier and faster, then join us on a Monday call at 4 o'clock, January 27th. We're going to go through the entire marketing plan for expireds with listings to leads. Spoke to an agent the other day, spending 3 hours a day with Vulcan 7. When I walked her through this, she was absolutely blown away and is going to start incorporating it. And I want you to see it too, to see what you're going to do to absolutely crush going after expireds in 2025. We're going to walk through the landing pages. You get unlimited. Look at that domain, whitneyoaks.expiredsoldeasy.com. You get unlimited landing pages like this with full marketing funnels, free and paid ways to generate expired leads. And if you got automations going, you can incorporate our e-flyers, our print flyers, our postcards and door hangers into any automation that you may be already doing. We've got PDF guides in English and in Spanish both. And again, an entire marketing campaign. You can incorporate your Canva images. You can put videos in our ads. And again, many, many, many short, easy, quick ways, free and paid, to generate expired and convert expired homeowners. We've also got the 26-page branded marketing module for expired homeowners. And check this out, name and home address. This is their property right in this presentation. 26 pages. They get to page 15 and they're going to be able to scan the QR code in that page. And notice how every image in here is of their property. And so when they get to page 15 and they scan that QR code and they're looking at their home right on their phone, they are going to be blown away. And you could send these to an expired cold. You could talk to an expired and send it to them then. We've also got the flipbook. So you got a 26-page PDF that you can download and present to a beautiful expired and get that listing. But we've also got flipbooks. So you can share these URLs. And again, the flipbook, notice every single image in here is of that expired listing. And I am going to close more expireds faster by using the tools in listings to leads. And we've even got more. So you can create an entire expired automation or an entire expired campaign with the different tools, all out of listings to leads, iBuyer cash offer, 100-point home marketing plan, the pending and sold listings. So there are so many ways to use listings to leads. So go to listings2leads.com/expired. Again, that's listings2leads.com/expired. Get the information right here. Click the link, sign up for the call on Monday at 4 o'clock. If you have any questions, let our support team know. Get into the mastermind group. We'll talk to you soon.